Hello guys and welcome to this hip padding class. So on my basic skirt pattern, I've already drafted my skirt. As you can see, the waist hip. Now from the hip, I'm going to go, this is the front, I'm cutting the front. From the hip length, I'm going in by 6. You go in by 6 and you mark. Please kindly listen attentively. Then from your hip length, as you're seeing like this, I'm going to go down by 8 inches, and I'll mark this guy. So I'm going to connect from my waist to the 6 inches and to the 8 inches. Just watch carefully what I'm doing. This is more like a free hand. So you're going to curve it. Just connect the points. You can use your ruler, your hip curve ruler, but if you don't have, just connect it like this. So this is for the front. You then tag them. You have the up side, the down side, the side. So you do not make mistake, you do not get confused. Then you cut it out. So for the back, you don't have to draft another skirt pattern. You just use the front. You place the front on a new pattern paper. Then from there, you mark 8. From the side, you mark 8. You can mark 6, you can mark 7. Depending on how big the person is. So from there, you go down by 4 inches. Just mark it. Then I want you to watch how I connect it together. So from the top, you're going to connect it like this. So this is the part that is going to the butt. So you're just going to form a butt shape. So you're going to give it a curve. Yes, then you connect it back to the down part. Connect it back to the down part. I'm just retracing it because I'm going to cut it out. So you're going to tag it also down, up, side, so you do not make mistake or get confused. Note that the parts labeled side, you're joining them together. And also don't forget to tag the back, label it as back so you don't get confused. Then you cut it out. So this is the part you're joining together on your foam, because you know that you're cutting this pattern paper on a foam. You're using a foam. So you can use a thread, you can use a gum. Like this, you're joining the sides together. So this is the type of foam I use for my hip padding. If you go to any shop that sells furnitures, whatever material used in making furnitures, just ask them for this foam. You can also even tell them hip padding foam. They are going to tell you, they are going to show you how the foam is. So I'm going to be cutting my pattern on the foam. So for the front, I'm cutting 2, and for the back, I'm cutting 2. You can pin it down if you want to. If you know that you're going to make mistake, you can pin it down. So watch carefully the sides you're going to be joining together. You're going to be joining the up, the side, and the down together.